Definition of the word.
Shift.
Noun.
A type of women's undergarment, a slip.
Example.
Just last week she bought a new shift at the market. A change of workers, now specifically a set group of workers or period of working time.
Example.
We'll work 3 shifts a day till the job's done. An act of shifting, a slight movement or change.
Example.
There was a shift in the political atmosphere. The gear mechanism in a motor vehicle.
Example.
Does it come with a stick shift? Alternative spelling of shift, a modifier button of computer keyboards.
Example.
If you press Shift P, the preview display will change. A bit shift. The infield shift.
Example.
Teams often use the shift against this lefty. The act of kissing passionately. A contrivance, a device to try when other methods fail. A trick, an artifice. The extent, or arrangement, of the overlapping of plank, brick, stones, etc., that are placed in courses so as to break joints. A breaking off and dislocation of a seam, a fault. A mutation in which the DNA or RNA from 2 different sources, such as viruses or bacteria, combine. In violin playing, any position of the left hand except that nearest the nut.
Verb.
To move from one place to another, to redistribute.
Example.
We'll have to shift these boxes to the downtown office. To change in form or character, swap. To change position.
Example.
She shifted slightly in her seat. His political stance shifted daily. To change residence, to leave and live elsewhere.
Example.
We are shifting to America next month. To change clothes, especially underwear. To change someone's clothes, sometimes specifically, to change underwear. To change gears, in a car.
Example.
I crested the hill and shifted into 5th. To move the keys of a typewriter over in order to type capital letters and special characters. To switch to a character entry mode for capital letters and special characters. To manipulate a binary number by moving all of its digits left or right. Compare rotate.
Example.
Shifting 1001 to the left yields 10,010. Shifting it right yields 100. To remove the first value from an array. To dispose of.
Example.
How can I shift a grass stain? To hurry, to move quickly.
Example.
If you shift, you might make the 219. To engage in sexual petting. To resort to expedients for accomplishing a purpose, to contrive, to manage. To practice indirect or evasive methods. In violin playing, to move the left hand from its original position next to the nut.
Shift. Shift.
Shift. Shift.
Shift. Shift.
Shift. Shift.